Most beginners lose money because they don't have a strategy. Not a real one, not a repeatable one. Just random trades based on whatever indicator they saw on TikTok, or whatever candle pattern someone mentioned online. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a simple, beginner-friendly trading strategy that actually makes sense, and that you can start practicing today. Step 1. Define your market. Before you build a strategy, you need to choose your market. Stocks, forex, crypto, commodities, each one moves differently. Each one has different volatility. Each one has different trading hours. Pick one market to start with, master it, then expand later. Step 2. Choose your time frame. Next, choose your time frame. This is where beginners get overwhelmed. They jump from the 1-minute chart to the 4-hour chart to the daily chart and end up confused. Here's the beginner rule. Use the 1-hour chart for your setup. Use the 15-minute chart for your entry. This gives you structure without noise. Step 3. Identify the trend. Now let's talk about the trend. Your strategy starts with one question. Is the market trending up, trending down, or moving sideways? Use this simple filter. Price above the 50 MA equals uptrend. Price below the 50 MA equals downtrend. Price crossing the 50 MA repeatedly equals sideways. If the market is sideways, skip it. Sideways markets destroy beginners. Step 4. Mark your levels. Next, mark your key levels, support and resistance. The most obvious ones, the ones you can see instantly. If you have to squint, it's not a level. If you draw more than 3 lines, it's too much. A clean chart leads to clean decisions. Step 5. The pullback setup. Now let's build your actual setup. This is the core of your strategy. In an uptrend, wait for price to pull back to support. Look for a bullish candle, confirm with volume or RSI. In a downtrend, wait for price to pull back to resistance. Look for a bearish candle, confirm with volume or RSI. This is the simplest, most reliable beginner setup. Step 6. Entry rules. Your entry should be logical, not emotional. Enter only when the trend is clear, the level is respected, the candle confirms, your indicator agrees. If one of these is missing, skip the trade. Step 7. Stop loss placement. Now let's protect your account. Your stop loss goes below the last swing low in an uptrend, above the last swing high in a downtrend. This protects you from fake outs and emotional decisions. And remember, never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade. Step 8. Take profit rules. Your target should be simple. The previous high or the previous low. This gives you a logical exit, not a random one. If the market gives you more, great. If not, you still followed your plan. Step 9. The beginner checklist. Here's your full beginner strategy checklist. One market, one time frame, clear trend, clean levels. Pullback, confirmation, 1% risk, logical exit. If all 8 are true, you have a real strategy, not a guess. If you want me to break this strategy down on a real chart, comment below and tell me which market you want to see, forex, crypto, or stocks. I'm Adrian Blake, and this is clear, practical trading for everyday investors. Smart money, simple moves. I'll see you in the next video.